Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. This meal, I'm going to be making a teriyaki pan seared salmon with okra, mixed vegetables, some onion, garlic, and a special marinade. If you'd like to see how I complete my meal, continue watching this video. Right now, we have a special marinade that my dad actually prepared, and he just sits it in the refrigerator. I'm going to use that to massage my pan-seared salmon. Well, I should say my wild salmon because I haven't started cooking it yet. But yeah. And right now, I'm preparing the okra. First, you want to cut off the edges, the top and the bottom, and then slice it to your liking of size. Okra definitely has the slimy inside. So, yeah. When I was younger, I couldn't appreciate it. Now that I'm older, I definitely love me some okra. After you're done cutting your pieces of okra up, you want to place it inside a medium hot skillet on top of the stove. I added a little bit of olive oil to the pot, and I also seasoned them with black pepper, sea salt, and a little bit of garlic seasoning. But of course, you can season yours to your liking. This is how the okra will look when it's done. You'll see it have a little crispy edges, brown edges. This is how you know to take your okra off the stove. Now it's time to rub the salmon down in the special marinade that I spoke about earlier in the beginning of the video. This is going to season my salmon well. It's going to make it taste spicy. Just have all the right ingredients that I wanted to have. First, I'm going to grab some gloves. It's better to prepare meals when you're cooking for others to have gloves on. And also, I don't want to get this spiciness under my nails because, baby, that will not feel good. It will burn. It will tingle. And sometimes it takes days to get out. So, yes, I'm putting on some gloves right now, some black gloves right now. I'm going to grab my salmon. I have 2 pieces of fillet that I prepared. Look at that cut. It's a nice, thick piece of salmon. So I prepared 2 pieces of filet, and I also have some square pieces on the side, aka nuggets, that I'm going to rub down. I'm going to rub the front, the sides, the skin part, just to make sure every piece of the salmon is covered. There's no part of the salmon that's going to feel left out, baby, because every single part is going to be rubbed down. I'm not going to sit this overnight, but because the marinade was already specially prepared, the salmon will still reap the benefits, okay? It's going to be well seasoned all around, tastes really good. I'm also going to add some dry rub seasoning. Some dry rub seasoning that I'm going to add is black pepper, sea salt, garlic, onion powder, and I also have a salt-free seasoning from All Magic Hour. Okay, it's an all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to be adding that on top of the marinade that I have right now. Okay, beautiful people, if you're just joining into this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you have ever prepared a teriyaki pan seared meal. Or also, let me know your favorite salmon meals down in the comment section below. Okay, right now, this is my first time preparing teriyaki. Usually, I go to more of a soy marinade. But yes, let's get it together, beautiful people. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Continue watching this video. Have some bon appetit coming up. I applied the salmon to a skillet, and I also have some sliced onions in there as well. Right now, I'm going to cook the salmon about 4 minutes each side. And when you do place your salmon in the pot, if you want to have that grill edge, that grill look, make sure you place it down, firmly down, and you want to have a little bit of fire. You want your pot to be hot already, okay? So right now I have a few salmon nuggets cut up on the left, and then I also have 2 full fillet sizes on the right. And I'm going to let it simmer about 4 minutes each side, and then it's time to make teriyaki sauce. Yes.